So this is how you get into a mango. Just pull the finger apart. I'll level with you. I don't know how to call a mango. Hey up, cock. How's the doing? I'm Matt, aka the Smoking Yorkshireman. I love food, I love travel, and I'm here to combine the two and show you that smoking and barbecuing doesn't have to start and finish in the good old US of A. So we're doing jerk marinade today. Now jerk is my absolute favourite flavour to have. I could jerk anything. I could jerk turkey, pork, chicken, you off, anything, anything. So we're going to start off today with these ingredients. It's going to take a little bit of time, probably about 5 or 10 minutes to get this together, but absolutely trust me, this is going to be something that you'll do again and again and again. First things first, bunch of spring onions. In Jamaica, they call these scallions. These are an essential part of our sunshine kit. Sunshine kit. So, topping them, we're going to be grinding these up using a stick blender. So, just as coarse as you like, nice, ready for the pot.
I think you've got my hand in it.
Jesus Christ, that is spice. That's just spring onions and that's bringing tears to my eyes. Spring onions done, so moving on to a medium onion here. So we're just going to cut these up into coarse pieces. We don't need anything too fine because it's going to go into the blender and that's going to do the work for us. Bang these into the pot and we'll get the stick blender on them again. Onion base is done now, spring onions and onions in there. We've got stock cubes now. So any savoury stock cube, these are the world's tiniest. You can see 3 here in my massive frigging hands. 3 stock cubes going into the pot. I have not stored these in a cool, dry place. These are absolutely solid. On to garlic. So we've got 8 garlic cloves. We're gonna dice these again, relatively coarsely. I'm not gonna bore you with watching me dice 8 garlic cloves. So we'll spin on from here. And there we go, 10 seconds later, all done. That's why the ladies like me. You know what I mean, guys? It's all about speed. Get in, get out, job done. Next step, we're going to grate a nutmeg. So to do this, we need to break the shell that it's in. If you're getting a fresh whole nutmeg, break the shell. And this is the little nut that you want to get out. This is called Meg the nut. So we're going to grate her brains out today. So we're going to grate Meg's brains into this spice mix that we've already put together. So we've got allspice, we've got cinnamon powder, and we've got brown sugar in there. I can't think, I'm just thinking that Mila Kunis, who plays Meg on Family Guy, is going to get her head stoved in. Here we go, just grating that into the spices. It's beginning to look a lot like jerkmas. A few weeks too late. Yes, yes, yes. So this is the best part about any jerk marinade. These are fiery Scotch bonnet peppers. Pat Butcher. What else to do? What you want to watch out for though, these are going to be hot. So don't do anything that you shouldn't be doing with your downstairs mix up. We're going to leave the seeds in because we want this smoking hot. Smoking fire hot! Chuck them in the pot I'm going to whiz these up. Oh, Jesus! Oh, I'm getting that in my throat already. Yes, this is going to be a good day. So there you go. Scotch bonnet, all in there. What we're going to do now is grate in a thumb-sized piece of ginger. Donald Trump, if you're watching, hopefully you're not, then you want to take probably about a whole hand-sized piece of ginger for you knob. So we're going to grate the whole thing because the rind on the ginger is going to give us an extra little bit of texture into this jerk marinade.
Follow into beautiful places.
Ginger's in, we want a juice of a lemon in there. Half it, squeeze it, piece of piss. Now the optional ingredient. So you find this in quite a lot of jerk recipes. Some people don't put it in. I find it gives you that lovely Caribbean sweet taste to offset that Scotch bonnet hotness. So we're just gonna slice it round the middle, a bit like an avocado. There's a stone in the middle. Give it a nice twist if you're strong enough. F***ing not. There isn't a stone in the middle of melon. These are there's no stone in the middle of these. What do you want to do? There's a stone in the middle of these. So what you want to do? I'll level with you. I don't know how to go mango. So this is how you get into a mango. Just pull the figure apart. Pull the figure apart. Easy as that. Cut it into bits that the blender will do. Maintain a professional appearance while you're doing this on camera, and we just put the fuck into like this. You want to get as much of one half of mashed up mango as you can get into this. Do dogs eat mango? There you go, that's all you need. There's never a mango here in the first place. So we're just going to blend up the rest of the ingredients and never talk about the mango again. All the ingredients have been blended in, so let's just have a recap what we've done. We've got spring onions or scallions in there. We've got full medium onion. We've got lemon juice, we've got nutmeg, we've got cinnamon, we've got brown sugar, we've got allspice, and of course we've got garlic and ginger, and the most important, this dead fella here, the fiery Scotch bonnet. So let's pour it out and see what we've got. Oh, and who could forget, today we've got a little bit of mango in there. So let's pour this out. Look at that, that's starting to look like a lovely jerk marinade. And you know what? I'm going to give it a bit of a try. Let's just get the rest of it out of there. But today I'm going to do a taste test in the style of Greg Wallace. So I'm going to hold my spoon like a monkey would. And Mum, if you're watching, no, I didn't use my finger this time and I didn't put it back in the bowl, so I'm a good boy. Oh yes, oh. Hello there, Scotch bonnet. Oh my word, that's coming in nicely now. That's really good. I'm getting the garlic, you're getting the ginger in there. Nice bit of base from the onions, giving that acidity, as well as the lemon. That Scotch bonnet is frigging fiery. So you can use this on anything that you want. Like I said at the start, please don't use it on yourself. There might be some detrimental impacts. If you've liked this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell, that'll inform you when the new content's coming out. I'm doing videos once a week, and I'll see you. I just brought the chopping board.